Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to go ahead and create a button on your website in Webflow. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly. So you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. Now first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official webflow.com website right here and log into your account. After logging into your account guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can go ahead and see all the websites and options that you can see on the Webflow website. Here you can see all the options. Here I can go ahead and see all the websites that I have already created. And here I have the button to go ahead and create a new website if I want. But for today's video guys, I'm going to go ahead and use the website right here I have already made called YouTube Tutorials. So let's go ahead and open up the website by clicking on it right here. And this will now open up the website in designer mode. So if you look at the left and right side of the screen, you will see options to edit your website. At the left side of the screen, you can go ahead and add new elements to the site. You can see your components and you can see such as site settings and so on. And on the right side of the screen, you can use these options to go ahead and style and edit those elements that you add to your website. You have the style option, you have your element settings and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to add a button. What we want to do is go ahead and click right here in the upper left corner on this plus icon. Click on plus, which is called add elements, and now this will open up this new tab where you can see which kind of elements you can add. We want to find this basic option right here. Another basic is an option called button. So guys, go ahead and select on button. And now we have successfully added the button to your website. So let's go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, now this is the button that we have added to our website. So now we can go ahead and edit the button, but let's change it to, let's say, new button. We can go ahead and select the options, what it does, where it leads to. You can select right here in the style option on the right side of the screen, the colors, the spacing, and so on. After you're satisfied, guys, just leave it there and it will automatically be saved and added to your website. And now people will be able to see that button. So yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.